Today is day one of being a drift car driver.
Flat as a pancake. Day one, becoming a drift driver. I sound like I know something, but I know nothing.
Day one, becoming a drift driver.
I hit my leg with a metal bar. Day one of drifting. Day one.
Day one. Day one.
Day one. Day one, becoming a drift driver.
I'm gonna attach the full Raptor to the trailer. Let's see how this goes. We're gonna make our way down to Sean's shop and go check out the car. And there's Joe. Okay.
It is time!
Step one.
Complete.
We're good?
No way.
All right, hell yeah, let's go.
What do you think first drive?
Sick.
Yeah?
What kind of clutch does it have in there?
It's an ACT, right?
So it's like, it makes it like more stiffer and stuff, right?
Yeah, it's a better clutch.
Good thing I put my bad front rims on here because you would have f***ing annihilated my wheels today.
Clipped them up.
Hey, it fits on there. That's what matters. Yeah.
I mean, I have to get it up on myself.
Yeah, no, that's great.
Bro, it looks like your truck is squatted now.
Nah, just kidding. Nah, we're going to the track now. We're ready. We have mechanic. Oh, we have Red. Red's disappeared.
I've disappeared.
She spawned.
I
She just
spawned.
spawned here. We got the car on. We just ran down the road for some helmets. Babe, show them your helmet. This thing is sick, but it's cool.
Super cool.
First day, day one, becoming a drift driver. Day one. Luckily, we're going with Sean because we don't have a fire extinguisher. We don't have any tools if anything goes wrong. We have nothing. I didn't even think about anything. So this is why it's day one of being a drift driver,
Bro,
right?
that
Yeah,
at least he has a fire extinguisher because that is kind of mandatory.
Yeah, it's kind of needed. You know what the funny thing is? This car's actually caught on fire before because when I first got it, the doors had no door handles. It had like a key fob thing to open the doors, but the wiring was so bad, I pressed something and it like started like sparking up and caught on fire. Anyway, let's roll out. So we're on the way to the track, but we have a little bit of a hiccup, a little bump in the road, you might say. The tire, look at that. Pancake, flat as a pancake. That's like a soggy ass. Nobody likes a soggy ass, right, Joe?
Yeah,
Like saggy
definitely.
Watch your profanity.
Yeah, so now we're stuck here. We're supposed to be at the track. So day one of drifting, going fantastic.
Welcome to the car scene,
Yeah,
bro.
12 seconds later.
Dude, they just repaired that so fast. They didn't even take any money. We made it. We're at Orange Valley, or Orange Speedway. Kim's here. Say hello.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kimmy.
She's the winner. Remember, she's the winner of the car wash competition. Do you remember that?
Yes, now I do. Yes, I do. Cha.
Does that mean Cha won?
Char won. Yep, Char won.
Oh, she's not. What are you talking about? Cha won.
She, you know why? She should have won.
Oh, we got Kim with the full bikini now. See what Kim's doing over there, but I imagine it's doing pretty good.
I should have won. Cha.
She won.
We won.
She won.
Wow. We won. No. Cha.
Take it back. I won with Cha. Thank you.
Anyway, she's here to help guide me off the trailer, right, Kim?
Yes, right. Here I
She's
am.
gonna guide us. You know, I like, we deleted the windows to save some weight because I'm a fat f***. So we got rid of everything we could get rid of so we could get some extra speed in this thing. That's why we always bring the skinny girls because they don't weigh us down in the car, right, babe?
Copy that.
Copy that.
Copy that.
Hey!
Funny seeing you here.
Funny seeing you here too. Hey, nice first day to drift, right? With a f***ing crowd.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Why don't I slam into the freaking wall or some shit? Nah.
Just stay on the inner pit.
You know what?
You're good.
Wait. The fuel leak, the tire had a hole in it. Fuck, things come in 3 Joes. What's the third thing gonna be? Oh wait, I know. I hit my leg with a metal bar. We're good.
Okay.
We're good.
They come in
We're in the
threes.
safe zone. Whoever's editing this, just insert my face on that card, just that popping out the window, right? That was me, it was me. do you think this is gonna go, Joe?
I honestly don't know how it's gonna go. It sounds good.
I sound like I know something, but I know nothing. I know less than nothing. Looks good. We're at 180 water temps. Oh, check this out, Joe.
What?
Safety first.
Oh, hell yeah.
This just completely came out. Hey, it's okay. The top part will work. There we go. Well, it makes sense now. That was fun. Okay, I know what to do now. That's easy. Hey, I got a cheer squad, Joe. Because the first couple turns, I'm like, what the f am I doing? I know what to do now, so it makes sense. I know what I did wrong the first few turns. No, because you just like push the clutch and pull the handbrake, right? Yep. And then it'll basically it'll start just going the way you want it to go, and then you just hit the gas and you just turn. That's it.
I have no idea what he's talking about. Like,
I
if you
wanna
guys
do it
think I'm
again.
going to do
I
any
wanna go
better than
again.
this, like, there's
I
no
want to
chance.
go again, right now.
No, you don't.
I do.
Wait for your thing.
What thing? You want my wife to go?
Yes.
Come on, man.
You have
Have
to
a
wait
go.
for it to cool down first.
It's so much fun.
And change
it makes
the
so much.
tires.
So since I had so much fun,
I'm going to go now.
so you know what I learned, right? Is when you do the simulator, you always like mash the pedal and you do too much gas. And when you're in this car, like a real car, you barely want to touch it to begin with. It's so much better in the car. The simulator is so like hard to understand. I feel like you're gonna love it. I remember my first time in a drift car. It was about 30 minutes ago. Got anything to say for yourself?
It sucks to be me.
Farewell. Have fun. Go on, man. Let's see you go. I'm nervous. I'm nervous for her. I'm more nervous about her driving than me driving. I'm not even worried about the car. I'm just like, she'll have fun. She will. Hell yeah. How was it?
Good job. That was great.
I was so nervous watching you. I forgot to record it, and I recorded you at the end, and I got you just. I got it on my. He got it the whole time, but I was like, I got to record. I forgot because I was just concentrating on you being good, and then I filmed like the sunset in the car. I'm like, please do at least one more, and she drove off. I'm like, but it's okay. We can freely keep on going now. How was it?
It was
Better?
great, but it was okay. I think I did pretty shit.
No, you did great. What are you talking about? You feel like a badass now, or what?
No.
You just went out there and drifted a stick car and didn't stall it one time. I bet.
I
No,
saw like 4 times on the way, okay?
that doesn't count.
That's not on track.
Thanks, ladies. I have a cheer squad.
I cheered for you.
Thanks.
It was great. You did
Besides the
great.
fact that
I
he
love
didn't
it.
film. I love it.
Well, because that was work. Hell yeah. This should hopefully go okay. I have 1 minute of drift time. 1 minute drift time. How was that?
Banging off the red line there.
Yeah, we definitely were pretty aggressive there. What do you think? Do you see that? No, I went crazy. I feel like I went crazy. How was it? That was so. I got in the third.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
How was it? I was going bow, 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 bow. Is that too much?
Okay, so you're like at third?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you get any?
But you felt good? Were you getting
Yeah.
good with the e-brake and
Hey,
better
show
with
him.
that?
Show him some. See if it looks okay. All right, so I've had 2 laps now, but now I need to take my mechanic out to make sure everything's all in tip-top shape, right? She's dressed for the occasion as well. Let's get it! I think it was very, very successful. So we have to make sure we do our shutdowns. We turn off the car, put it in gear. We hit this, turn off the fan. Oh, that's turn off the fans up. Kill switch. And that's it. That was exhilarating.
Holy guacamole.
5 laps. So I'm now officially, what, 5 minutes-ish in my drift career. Good work today.
Sorry, the light.
We'll see you guys next time. Whoever's watching these videos, we appreciate it. But, you know, day 1 of drifting may not be the most exciting thing, but hopefully, like, I learned a lot of things, right? So if you're ever a first-time drifter, I know it's at the end of the video, it's probably nobody gives a shit, but hey, you press in the clutch, you pull the hydro, you start getting some angle, and then you hit the gas to give it power, and then you sort of work the wheel to, like, figure out the line that you're going in. And that's probably the first steps of drifting, I would say, right? Because apparently you can hit the brake and all these other little things. We're not at that level yet. That's day 1 of drifting. That's the biggest advice I can give you if you want to. We had a pop tire, cut my leg. We had all kinds of things happen, but successful day. We're going to be home tonight on the couch going, worth it. But we'll see you guys next time.